Hey, I'm Negeen. Welcome to my sweet digs. Before you come on in, make sure that you subscribe down below. Let's come meet my plants. My apartment is $14.50 a month and I have about 840 square feet. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom with a giant walk-in closet. I have a washer and dryer in unit, which is incredible. And my apartment complex also has a pool, so I think it's just a really great deal for me. This is my living room. One of my favorite finds of all time is my beautiful coffee table. I found it on Facebook Marketplace and it had a water stain, and so I got it for like $80. Such a steal. So the one thing that my friends are definitely not a fan of are my oak knoll chairs, but I'm so in love with them. They're just so old and they creak a lot. I really splurged on my credenza. I got it at this vintage store called Rave On. It was about $850. I die inside when I say that. The next big purchase I made was this really amazing and comfortable couch. I paid $675 for it. I got it from Living Spaces and it just fits so perfectly. I am a full-time YouTuber. Above my dining table we have, it's my YouTube plaque. I cried when I received it in the mail. It was such a pivotal moment in my career. It was just really nice to have it on display. I've been collecting my plants for roughly 3.5 years and none of them have died. I really make it a point to have real plants living in this space. I think fake plants don't even. I'm sorry, if you have them, just don't. It really gives a fake vibe. So this whole place, all real. I hate fake plants. We have my fiddle leaf fig tree. His name is Fiddle, and then I have my pilea called Penny, and it is just a beautiful, beautiful plant. I definitely talk to them every day. I'm not crazy, but I'll walk up to Fiddle and I'll be like, "Good morning." Doesn't say anything back, but you know, you do what you can. And we have my kitchen over here. I like to cook every single day. I really love cooking a roast chicken. I'm using Ina Garten's famous roast chicken recipe. I love it. I cook it like every month. I'll just have it in the middle of the week and it'll just last me for forever. My little morning routine is going to my Nespresso, putting in a Vanizio pod. It's the vanilla pod. And then I'll add in my collagen creamer. Then I'll come and sit onto the couch and I'll just do my work on my laptop, and you guys, this is just the highlight of my day. Everything in my apartment I like to keep extremely super neat, except for my junk drawer. This is the only place where all of the random stuff goes. Here we are in my bathroom. I was really wanting to give off some spa-like vibes. I added in dried eucalyptus so that whenever I'm taking a shower, the steam from the shower will bring out the essential oils, and it's divine. I decided to get a wooden mat to step out on. Doesn't really work that well, but it's for the aesthetic, you guys, and it's worth it. Although I don't have a window in my bathroom, I really wanted plants to live in here, but it wouldn't work. So I did go for fake plants, but they're pretty cute, you guys, and they're small. Well, they're real because it really adds to they add to the aesthetic, okay, you guys? Don't judge me, okay? But I still hate them. If I could get rid of them, I would. And through this door, we have my walk-in closet. What really tops this apartment off is the walk-in closet. I mean, I just really love that it's so spacious, and I know my friends say that I'm spending a lot of money, but have you seen the closet? And this is my bedroom. For my bedroom, it is still a work in progress. I really was trying to go for a bohemian vibe, but I think it turned into industrial as well. Ideally, it would be bohemian. Bed frames can get pretty expensive, and at the time I was like, oh, this is a cheap bed frame. The side tables work perfectly because they have a lot of wood accents on them, so industrial in the back, boho in the front. I really wanted to have a really nice desk to work at whenever I'm editing my videos. I wanted a wooden desk, and I found it on allmodern.com. It's just perfect. It's a great size for me. It's not too big, not too small. I really wanted to have some influences from Iran. I have a little box. It has my grandfather's watch in there. Whenever he passed, I asked my family members to bring the watch down from Iran. I wanted to wear it, and so we got new batteries put in, but then the watch just completely died within the week. But you know, it's great to look at once in a while. I have a Polaroid of my parents displayed right above my desk. I think it's so cute. I grew up as an only child. I have never had a pet before. Just growing up in a really tight-knit family has really helped me just get super close to them. We literally have matching tattoos. I don't know, it was cute. It was a little sweet little activity that we all did. Because I'm a YouTuber, I pay very close attention to what's in the background of my videos, and so that really influenced the way that I decorate. So having white walls is super, super important. Having a lot of natural sunlight is really beneficial for my videos. Working from home is really amazing, and it's also challenging at times. It does get a little lonely just always being here. I have to designate a lot of times throughout my day to see other people, like see humans, and so it's hard, but I just really love the time freedom that I have with working from home, so it's just something that comes with it. I actually was living in this complex and I went through a breakup, and I really just love this place so much that I decided to move within the same complex, but it's okay because I really love it that much. I moved in here with my plants and my desk and my clothes and my kitchenware. I had to invest a lot of money into literally everything in a really short period of time. So I would say I've spent upwards of $4,000 or more. It was really hard adjusting, but it took about 2 months for this place to really feel like home. And the moment that it clicked, it was such a memorable moment, and it's just been a really empowering and fulfilling moment in my life. Now that I'm living alone and paying for my bills and taking care of myself fully, I feel like such a grown-up, and I just feel really happy and proud that I'm just not relying on anyone. I can do all that I need to do by myself. Thanks for watching My Sweet Digs. To watch more videos like this, click here, and to subscribe, click here.